Konnichiwa! Today we'll be looking at Chapter 3, Part 3, asking the question, what grade are you in, and how to answer it. We will talk about the counter nensei, the particle mo, and the negation of des, ja arimasen. Gakko, school. Seito, student. Gakusei, student. Chugaku, junior high school. Koukou, high school. Chugakusei, junior high student. Koukousei, high school student. Nensei, a classifier for year in school or grade. Example, ichinensei, first grade. Daigaku, college or university. Daigakusei, college student. Shogakko, elementary school. Shogakusei, elementary student. Youchien, kindergarten. Hoikuen, preschool. Mo, also or to. Dewa or ja arimasen, the negative of the verb des. Let's talk about some of this vocabulary. Preschool is hoikuen. Kindergarten is youchien. Elementary school is pronounced shogakko. Starting in first grade, the counter nensei is used for year in school or grade. Therefore, if you are a first-year elementary school student, you will be shogakko ichinensei, which is what I am in this photo. Kawaii desu ne. Second grade is ninensei. Third grade, sannensei. Fourth grade, yonensei. Notice that it's yo and not yon. Fifth grade, gonensei. These are pretty easy, huh? Sixth grade, rokunensei. Did I mention these are pictures of me? Yikes. The word for junior high is chugaku, and in junior high you start counting over. So 7th grade is chugaku ichinensei, or junior high first year. 8th grade is chugaku ninensei. 9th grade, chugaku sannensei. And the word for high school is koukou. 10th grade is the first year of high school, so it is koukou ichinensei. 11th grade is koukou ninensei. And finally, a high school senior would be said koukou sannensei. Let's not forget about college. A college student is daigakusei. It's easy to ask someone what grade they are. You just ask, nan nensei desu ka? Time for a little quiz. Nan nensei desu ka? Shogakko 1年生. Nan nensei desu ka? Chugaku 2年生 desu. If we go back in time to when this picture was taken, we are all juniors in high school. Speaking about myself, I could say, watashi wa 2年生desu. Mike is also a junior. To say also, I replace the particle wa with the particle mo. So I say, Mike mo 2年生desu. Mike also is a junior. Eileen mo 2年生desu. Eileen is a junior too. Valerie mo 2年生desu. Matt mo 2年生desu. Now, since you know that we're all juniors, you know about how old we are. If I was to ask you, Andrew wa 5歳ですか? You would say no, of course not. いえ、5歳ではありません or いえ、5歳じゃありません. Ja is the contraction of the particles dewa, and ja arimasen means isn't. It replaces des. It's the negative of des. This is a very useful grammar. So if Andrew is not 5 years old, I would say いいえ、5歳じゃありません. Crystal は小学生ですか? いいえ、小学生じゃありません。高校生です. Remember, じゃありません replaces des. You will never hear じゃありませんです. That would mean something like isn't, is. One more example. Daniel は先生じゃありません。生徒です. He's not a teacher, he's a student. Let's review. How would you say, I am in the 10th grade? I'm sure you said, 私は高校1年生です. What about, I am also in the 10th grade, or I am in the 10th grade too? 私も高校1年生です. What about, I am not in the 10th grade? 私は高校1年生じゃありません. That's it. In this lesson, we've covered the counter nensei, the particle mo, and the expression ja arimasen, meaning isn't. It also means am not and are not. This is why Japanese is easier than English. じゃあまたね. Bye bye.